Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fade a picture in Canva. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Okay, first of all, just open your Canva design. Okay, after opening it, I'm going to add this picture. For example, okay, let me remove this background. Okay, you want to fade a picture in Canva. Just select the picture. Just go over here on top and click on transparency right here and just decrease its transparency like this. As you can see, the picture is fading, so keep it at between 40 to 45, I think 40 to 38. Okay, that would be okay. So as you can see, the picture is faded. That's how you can fade picture in Canva. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.